Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. This year I celebrated at my 91-year-old mom's big Connecticut 6B homestead. Oh my goodness, she was so happy. We had beef short ribs, ham with pineapples and cherries, fresh brine turkey, rutabaga, potato salad, mac and cheese, cornbread stuffing with turkey gravy, candied yams, apple pie, sweet potato pie, coconut cake, chocolate chip cookies, and panky iced tea. Part of the family celebrated in Arizona 9B, and that is the plate you see now. There's the coconut cake. Oh, my granddaughter makes it the best. Nana had to sneak in the chocolate chip cookies, and Grandma got the first one. Peace, love, and blessings to everyone.